Incredible in power, speed, and control, these badminton rackets will completely change the way you play the game in 2025. From lightning-fast responses to pro-level swings, we're diving into the top 5 rackets, packed with innovative materials, cutting-edge frame designs, and technology designed to elevate your performance. Let's take a look. Number 5. Apex Z Ziegler, the budget beast for power-driven beginners. If you're looking to dominate the court without breaking the bank, the Apex Z Ziegler delivers exceptional power and value in a sleek, aggressive package. Designed with a head-heavy balance and stiff shaft, this racket is engineered to amplify your smashes, giving you that explosive edge even as a beginner or intermediate player. Weighing in at around 85 grams, it strikes a fine balance between control and momentum, helping you drive the shuttle deep into your opponent's court with precision and confidence. What sets the Z Ziegler apart is its high modulus graphite frame, paired with an extra slim shaft, a combination that maximizes repulsion and minimizes air resistance, translating into faster swing speeds and sharper attacks. The isometric head shape also expands the sweet spot, offering forgiveness on off-center hits and making it ideal for players still refining their technique. This racket isn't just about raw power, it's also a champion of accessibility and durability, making it a top pick for students, club players, and budget-conscious athletes looking for a performance racket without the premium price tag. Whether you're training for competition or just enjoying a fast-paced match with friends, the Apex Z Ziegler helps you play bigger, hit harder, and improve faster. For those who want a power-focused, pro-style experience on a beginner's budget, the Z Ziegler is an unbeatable entry point into serious badminton. Number 4. Li-Ning 3D Calibar 900 Combat, the powerhouse for competitive smashers. If you're a serious badminton player looking for a racket that transforms raw strength into precision-controlled dominance, the Li-Ning 3D Calibar 900 Combat is engineered to meet your every demand. With a head-heavy balance and stiff shaft, this racket is built to unleash devastating smashes while maintaining pinpoint accuracy, making it an elite choice for aggressive singles players and high-level competitors. Weighing in at around 3U, it offers a satisfying weight that adds punch to every stroke without compromising responsiveness. Crafted from military-grade carbon fiber, the frame is exceptionally rigid and durable, reducing unwanted flex during high-impact rallies. The standout 3D Calibar frame design and stabilized torsion angle technology work together to minimize energy loss and frame distortion, translating to more consistent power and improved shuttle control on fast-paced exchanges. It's the kind of racket that thrives in competitive environments, where quick footwork, fast wrist action, and aggressive play are the norm. For players who live for intensity and crave structure in their shots, the Calibar 900 Combat offers explosive power, structural integrity, and unwavering performance, making it a go-to weapon for tournament athletes and advanced-level players ready to dominate every rally with authority. Number 3. Victor AuraSpeed 98K, the all-around speed machine for versatile players. If you're searching for a badminton racket that strikes the perfect balance between speed, control, and versatility, the Victor AuraSpeed 98K stands out as a premium all-around option for intermediate to advanced players. Designed with an even balance and medium stiff shaft, this racket delivers quick responses on defense, while retaining enough punch for controlled smashes and aggressive drives, making it equally effective in both singles and doubles play. Weighing in at 4U or 3U, depending on your preference, it offers great maneuverability without compromising on stability. The frame is built from ultra-high modulus graphite reinforced with nano resin, giving it a light but strong construction that enhances repulsion and shot consistency. Victor's sonic rebound technology combines with the aero diamond frame to reduce air resistance and maximize swing speed, making every movement sharp, fluid, and efficient. What truly sets the AuraSpeed 98K apart is its ability to adapt to different playstyles. Whether you're defending at the net or unleashing precision attacks from the baseline, it reacts intuitively to your technique. For players who want a racket that can keep up with every aspect of the modern game, speed, control, and adaptability, the AuraSpeed 98K is a powerful, smart investment built to elevate your performance across the board. Number 2. Yonex Nanoflare 800 Pro, the precision speed weapon for lightning-fast players. For players who thrive on speed, sharp reactions, and pinpoint control, the Yonex Nanoflare 800 Pro delivers a performance package engineered for fast-paced, high-intensity badminton. Designed with a headlight balance and a stiff shaft, this racket is built to maximize maneuverability and responsiveness, making it a go-to choice for defensive specialists and doubles players who rely on quick net play and rapid exchanges. Weighing approximately 83 grams, 4U, it features a high modulus graphite frame reinforced with Ultra PE fiber, resulting in exceptional durability and shock absorption without adding bulk. The inclusion of Yonex's sonic flare system and enhanced aero frame reduces air resistance, allowing for faster racket head acceleration and rapid recovery between shots. Its aerodynamic frame shape not only supports rapid directional changes, but also enhances overall swing control. The Nanoflare 800 Pro is also optimized for maximum shuttle hold, giving you better placement and tighter net shots. With its high-tension stringing compatibility, players can further tune the feel and feedback to match their personal playstyle. Its ultra-slim shaft further enhances swing speed, giving players the split-second edge needed to turn defense into attack. Whether you're intercepting smashes at the net or firing off lightning-fast drives from the midcourt, the Nanoflare 800 Pro empowers you with speed and finesse in every shot. Ideal for advanced level players who value agility, control, and fast transitions, this racket is a masterclass in engineering tailored for the modern, dynamic badminton game. For those looking to stay one step ahead in every rally, the Nanoflare 800 Pro is a sleek, high-tech extension of your reflexes. Number 1. Victor Thruster Ryuga II, the Smash King of 2025, built for power and dominance. Crowned as the ultimate badminton racket of 2025, the Victor Thruster Ryuga II is a top-tier weapon crafted for players who crave raw power, ruthless aggression, and total control over every point. Engineered with a head-heavy balance and stiff shaft, this racket is designed to deliver maximum energy transfer, allowing players to unleash devastating smashes that overwhelm opponents with sheer force. Available in both 3U and 4U weight classes, it provides just the right amount of mass to generate explosive shot power, while maintaining fast recovery and responsiveness. At the heart of the Ryuga II is Pyrophil carbon fiber, an advanced material developed by Mitsubishi that combines high elasticity and lightweight durability, resulting in a frame that feels solid yet lightning fast. Complemented by cutting-edge technologies like the Whipping Enhancement System, WES, and Free Core Handle, the racket ensures optimized shaft flex and enhanced handling for sharper shot trajectories and fluid swings. The frame's aerodynamic profile reduces air drag, making each swing feel smoother and more natural. Its reinforced T-joint structure improves torsional stability, which is especially useful during off-center hits and intense rallies. Additionally, the Ryuga II supports high string tension, allowing experienced players to fully customize the racket for maximum control and responsiveness. This makes it the go-to choice for elite-level players who thrive in attacking playstyles and want to dominate rallies with fast-paced, high-impact shots. Whether you're controlling the tempo from the baseline or finishing points at the net, the Thruster Ryuga II stands out with its unmatched smash potential and precision. Built for the bold and the powerful, it's not just a racket, it's a statement of intent for players who refuse to play safe. Here are the top 5 badminton rackets. So, which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech content. See you in the next video.